Boral Roofing offers the highest performing roofing solutions available, delivering unmatched beauty and curb appeal, superior durability, and excellent cost savings with our innovative, industry-leading, energy-efficient cool roof system. Boral Roofing's diverse portfolio of products features 4 distinct roofing options to fit any type of project or architectural style. Whether you want the enduring beauty of concrete tile, the vibrant look of traditional clay, the robust protection of Boral Steel's stone-coated roofing, or the uniquely engineered lightweight composite slate and shake profiles from Boral's premium line, Inspire.
We're a company that's committed to the building products sector. We've got decades of experience in manufacture, product design, bringing new products to market. That's something that we've proven an ability to do and to do well over the years. But beyond that, we're here for the long term. Well, if you think about Boral as a company and who we are, a lot of people might not realise, but in Australia, Boral's actually a household name. We've been in business for decades, and we have a reputation of being committed to and manufacturing building products. We're a lot more than that. We offer other services in the market, but at the end of the day, we're a building products company. We're well known, we're committed to our markets. And if you think about it, we're a company that's focused on building partnerships. Whether it's through our partners in distribution, whether it's through the builders and contractors that use our products, or looking at it from a consumer perspective. We're committed to our product, we stand behind our products, we stand behind the services we offer, and we work closely with our partners in the marketplace to give the best experience, not only in the installation of our product, but living with our product. Our products are part of people's homes. There's nothing more important than your home, beyond your family.
Boral Roofing offers superior quality products with the curb appeal and long-term durability that will last a lifetime, supported by the best customer service in the industry. At Boral Roofing, we value our employees and customers and take great pride in maintaining a fun and safe work environment for all.
Boral is committed to safety, and it's more than just words. We talk about zero harm today. That's the goal. That's where we're headed. And there's a long way between where we are and the ambition we have. But at the end of the day, there's nothing more important, no matter where you work in the organisation or whether you're a contractor or someone installing our product, that you go home to your family and your friends the same way that you came to work in the morning. Happy, healthy, and all in one piece.
Build something great with Boral Roofing.